Hello everyone, welcome to Scratch Programming Tutorials. This is Praveen. I'm a robotic engineer working with India STEM Foundation, and also I'm a mentor of change in Atal Tinkering Labs. I hope it would become fun and interactive journey for kids and teens who wants to learn coding and programming for game development. And this is a beginner level course. Scratch is the best educational programming software for kids and teens available today. With Scratch, you can create games and interactive art projects while having lots of fun. In this course, you will learn to create your own game using Scratch. Instead of memorizing a list of programming concepts, you are guided through making the games and picking up programming concepts on the way. With these Scratch programming tutorials, you will learn to create different video games and multiple interactive art projects. You will find out how to experiment with Scratch to enhance game creation learning. You can share and show off your game projects to others in your community, and also you can help others to discover and learn programming techniques in Scratch. So now let us get started with the beginners module of the course on game development. In this module, we are going to use a programming language called Scratch to build our games. Scratch is a free programming language, and it is an online community also. Let us begin by getting access to the Scratch platform. Here we can access Scratch using two methods. One is online method, another one is offline method. Okay, coming to the online method, first of all we have to visit scratch.mit.edu to access the Scratch online. So I am just opening my browser and going to scratch.mit.edu. So here you have to click on start creating. Then the Scratch platform will open where you can create the project. So this is the platform. Here only you are going to make the games. Okay, this is called our sprite. Okay, so I will show you a basic demo. So I am just taking some blocks. I am just dragging some blocks. So I just want to take a sound block also. So I'm keeping it up. So when these actions should happen, so for that I am selecting an event and I'm just taking this. So just we have to check with this whether it is working or not. Now I'm going to click on this, because here what I did, I used a block. When this button is clicked, this should happen, means play sound meow until done. Until what done? 10 steps move. Okay, so here I am clicking on the flag, so it is going forward and making a sound of meow. Once again I will click on this. Okay, after making a sound, it is moving 10 steps forward. Okay, this is online one. So coming to offline one. For offline one, you have to download the software which is available in scratch.mit.edu/download. From here you can download the software which suits your operating system. Suppose you are using Windows operating system, so you have to download the Scratch application which suits Windows operating system. So after downloading the application, you have to install the application. After installing application, you are able to do practice. So I already installed software in my computer. Now I'm going to open the Scratch desktop. So I'm just double clicking on the Scratch desktop app. So now it is getting open. So it takes 2 to 3 seconds. Okay, this is the offline platform for Scratch. So here I am going to give a same demo. So where the event is, yes, here. So here this one, and the sound, coming to sound, yes, same one I'm using here, same code which I did in online Scratch, I'm using that in offline Scratch. There is no difference between online Scratch and offline Scratch, but for offline you have to download the software. If you want to work on online, you can directly go through the site and you can directly create your project. Okay, if you want to do it in offline, you have to download the software. That's it. And I just want to show some options which are available with this application. So here you can take the blocks. All these are called blocks. Okay, so all these are regarding motion blocks, means movement, turn, all these. Okay, so for sound, for events, for controlling, sensing, different types of blocks we have. Okay, so in the next session we are going to know about the options which are available with the Scratch desktop.